Hello dear students, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 14.3. How is this question different? We are given the value of median and we have to find the unknown frequency, right? So there are two unknown frequency x and y that we are supposed to find out from this distribution given, and it is given the median of this data is 28.5. So this is the information, this is the tabular column given, and from where we have to find these values. So how shall we proceed? Children, first thing you remember clearly that when we find median, first thing we do is we find CF, means cumulative frequency. So same thing we are going to do here. So I am going to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency means, how do you find? The first one you write as it is, right? And then you go on adding every time. So x, next will be 5 plus x. Next will be 5 plus 20, that is 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15. This will give you 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y. So this will give you 40 plus x plus y. And then you add 5. So this will become 45 plus x plus y. In the question it is given total is 60. What is this total? This total is nothing but sigma f, or we call it as n also. So n is 60. And if we have done so many questions on median, then you remember then these two are equal. This means 45 plus x plus y should be equal to 60. Or otherwise also, if you just add these, then this total should be given. This total is already given, it is 60. Then this 60 should be equal to this total. So what is that total? If you just add them, we have just added also. You can also do like that. 2 plus 1, 3. This is 35, 40, 45 plus x plus y. Same thing you will get. So that means 45 plus x plus y is given as equal to 60. So first equation what we get is as, from the data we get as 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. This is equation number 1. Children, you have two variables. So at least two equations I require to solve it, isn't it? So let us go to solve it further. So first thing, I equated these two. I found cumulative frequency, and that is given as equal to 60, and that is I have equated. Next, I will be using the formula for median because median is already given to me. So what is the formula? For finding the median, we write the formula as median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. And you know that where L is the lower limit of the median class, n by 2 we can find it out, n is 60, so n by 2 will be 30. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class, H is the class size. So individually we are going to write the values. Now, children, median is given to us, no problem, 28.5. But L is the lower limit of median class. So now how will I find it out? Earlier, how do we find the median class? We used to do n by 2. So here it is 60 by 2. So this will be 30. So 30 I used to search in CF column. Now which number where I will search? So this is this we cannot do in this way because that is unknown. So simple, where the median class is 28.5 it is given. No, so where is the point 28.5? Which interval it is lying? So it is lying in this interval of 28 to 30. 20 to 30. So this is your median class. So the step is, see that what is that median given? Find out in which of the class it will lie. The answer will lie of course between 20 to 30, and answer is given 28.5, means median is given as 28.5. Where is 28.5? Between 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 will become your median class. So this we have to see. Okay. So in that case I will write the median class as, so I'll write it down. Median class is, our median class in this case is 20 to 30. So what is the value of L? So in this case L will become 20. Median is given as, it is given in the question, median is 28.5. N by 2, N is 30. So N is 60. So N by 2 is 30. Then CF. CF is the frequency just above the cumulative. See, CF means cumulative frequency, and it is just above the median class. So this is your median class. This is your median class, 20 to 30. So which is that frequency? Above it. This is for this class. So above it means this one. So this is your 5 plus X. And F. F is the frequency of the median class. So this is your median class. Frequency is 20. And H is your class size. What is class size? 0 to 10, 10 to 20. What is the class? Upper limit minus lower limit. So 20 minus 10 or 10 minus 0. Everywhere you can see directly, you can write it is 10. Now we'll substitute in the formula. So formula says median. So median is 28.5 is equal to L. L we have written 20. All the values we are just going to substitute. N by 2 is 30 minus, what is CF? CF is 5 plus X. Then we have divided by F. F is 20 into H. H is what? 10. So this we are going to solve. From here I can get the value of X. That X I can substitute here and get the value of Y. So this is how we have to proceed. So we'll solve it very simple. It is just, so first step, shift this 20 this side. So this is 28.5 minus 20. So you can do it directly. When you will subtract, you will get 8.5. Now next is equal to 30 minus, when you will open the bracket, it is minus 5 minus X whole divided by 20 into 10. So this also you can cut. So this will be 2. Right? Now this 2 you will shift here. So this will become 8 to the 16.5. 8 to the 16.5. So this is your 17 is equal to 30 minus 5 is what? 30 minus 5 is 25 minus X. This will give you X is equal to 25 minus 17, or X is equal to 25 minus 17 is 8. So we call it as equation. This is your second, you can call it as. Now you can substitute the value of X in equation 1. So substituting the value of X in 1, we get 45 plus X is 8 plus Y is 60, or Y is equal to 60 minus 53, or Y is equal to 7. So X value is 8 and Y value is 7. Children, one more question, very short answer type question it is. Find the mode of a data whose median and mean are 21 and 20 respectively. So median and mean are given and you need to find the value of mode. So you have to remember the formula for this is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. This is the formula for all such type of questions, right? So mode we need to find out, which implies mode will be equal to, that you can do now, 3 median minus 2 mean. So the value we will keep 3 into median is 21 minus 2 into mode is, mean is 20. So this is 3 to the 6, 63 minus 40. So mode is 23. So the value of mode is 23.